Continuing. So, sorry. Stop yung Zoom. Okay, coming back. So, gagawin lang natin is ito, i-ano natin, i-distribute natin yan. So, i-distribute natin to. So, magiging tong, maging siyang tan squared theta, sec squared theta, d theta, tapos, plus, nag-sum and difference rule ako. So, sec squared theta, d theta, minus 2 tan theta plus theta. Okay? Ngayon, ito, pwede natin itong i-solve using yung substitution. So, pag na-solve natin yan, para ma-solve yan, gawin lang natin u equals tan theta and du is maging siyang sec squared theta d theta. Diba? So, ito naman, magiging lang tong tan theta. 2 tan theta plus theta. So, pag ina natin to, magiging itong u squared, tapos ito magiging itong du. Tapos, as you can see, parehas itong tan theta. So, i-minus lang natin yan. Magiging itong negative tan theta plus theta. Tapos, ito using power rule, magiging lang itong u cube over 3 minus tan theta plus theta plus c. So, ito, yung u natin is tan cube theta over 3 minus tan theta plus theta plus c. Okay? Ngayon, gamitin ulit natin. Meron na tayong initial answer. Ngayon, kailangan na lang natin is yung mismong values nila. So, yan, a right triangle. Then, ano kasing ginamit natin? Di ba yung ginamit natin is u equals a sec theta, which turns into x equals sec theta. Okay, so u equals a sec theta, magiging siyang x equals sec theta. Tapos, di ba ito nga magiging tong x over 1. So, according to Choshakao, hypotenuse over adjacent to. So, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. So, hypotenuse natin is x, yung adjacent natin is 1. Okay? Now, using the Pythagorean theorem, hahanapin natin yung opposite. So, yung opposite, di ba, magiging itong x squared equals opposite squared plus 1 squared. So, ito, lipat natin to. Dito, magiging itong opposite squared equals x squared minus 1. Shucks, ubos na pala yung space. Okay? Masyadong haba nito ha. Tapos, sige, i-adjust ko na lang. Okay, ito nga, opposite equals x squared minus 1. So, therefore, ito magiging itong square root of x squared. Magiging siyang square root of x squared minus 1. Okay? And since dito, yung hinahanap lang is yan, yung hinahanap lang is tan theta. And actually theta, ito lang hahanapin natin. So, wait lang. Adjust ko muna to. Sige, burahin ko muna to. Oops. Saan na tayo? Okay. Yan. Okay. So, nawala bigla. Wala, nawala yung progress ko. Okay, sorry. Wala yung progress ko. Anyway, diba yan? Theta. Tapos, naging itong x, tapos square root of x squared minus 1 over 1. Hala, sorry, nawala yung progress ko. Pero refer na lang kayo dun sa video. So, di ba naging siyang tan cube. Basically, yung initial answer natin is tan cube theta over 3 minus tan theta plus theta plus c. This is our initial answer. Ngayon, hahanapin lang natin is tan theta, pati yung theta. And yung tan theta, di ba? Tan is TOA. So, opposite over adjacent. So, opposite over adjacent, square root of x squared over 1. So, square root of x squared minus 1. Paano naman yung opposite? So, di ba, yung ginamit nating yan, ito yung ginamit natin, u equals a sec theta. So, since u equals a sec theta, yung ginamit natin is u equals a sec theta, which eventually became x sec theta. Yung gagawin lang natin, yan, tapos x over 1, di ba? So, bali ito, i-arc sign lang natin to. So, bali ito maging itong theta, arc sign, well, x over 1, which will become arc sec, sorry, arc sec. So, magiging itong arc sec. So, magiging itong arc sec x over 1, which will become arc sec x. Okay? So, ito magiging itong arc sec x. So, ngayon, meron tayong initial answer na to. So, copy lang natin. So, magiging itong x squared minus 1 cube over 3 minus square root of x squared minus 1 plus ito magiging itong arc sec x plus c. So, ito, pwede rin siyang ma-rewrite as x squared minus 1 over 3 over 2 over 3 minus x squared minus 1 plus arc sec x plus c. Therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, wait lang. Sayang na yung progress. Okay. Okay, for the next problem, ito. So, x cubed square root of 4 minus x squared. Okay, so ito, it resembles the first formula, which is, di ba, sa first formula, ano siya, a squared minus u squared n over 2 du equals, dito magiging siyang magiging tong u equals a sine theta. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, okay. So, una, maglalat muna tayo always. So, yung u squared natin is 9x squared. Yung u natin is 3x and yung du natin is 3dx. Okay? Tapos, yung a squared natin is 4. Yung a natin is 2. Okay? Then, since nakaganito nga yung format niya, so gamitin natin yung u equals a sine theta. And yung u natin, equal daw siya sa 3x. Tapos yung A natin equal siya sa 2. Okay? Tapos, copy the sine theta. Ngayon, pag dinerive natin to, magiging itong 3dx equals, ito magiging siyang 2 cos theta. Okay? Okay. And d theta. Okay? Okay. For yung next na gagawin natin, magle-let tayo. So, next na gagawin natin, okay. So, mag-let na tayo. So, pag nag-let tayo, yung x natin equal daw siya, well, ito, naka-x cube. Okay? Yung ito, x cube, di ba? Pero dito nakalagay 3x. So, kailangan muna natin itong i-manipulate. So, magiging itong x equals 2 sine theta over 3. So, ngayon, ito magiging itong 2 sine theta over 3 cube. Tapos, square root of 4 minus 9. Tapos, yung wait lang. 4 minus wait lang. 4 minus 9. Okay, sige. So, 4 minus 9. Yung x natin, equal siya sa 2/3. 2 sine theta. Tapos, ito, 3 squared. Tapos, yung dx natin, since dx ang hinahanap, kailangan natin itong divide yan. Magiging itong 2 cos theta d theta over 3. Okay? So, next naman yan, ito magiging itong okay, so 2 cube is 8 sine theta, sine cube theta, tapos ito 3 cube is 27. Tapos, ito naman 4 minus 9, ito 4 sine squared theta, yung sa baba 3 squared is 9. So maka-cancel yung 9 dito. Tapos ito naman magiging lang itong 2/3 cos theta d theta. Okay? So ngayon, ito 8 over 27, sulat muna natin. Sine cube theta. Tapos ito, pwede nating malabas yung 4. So magiging itong 4 minus 1 sine squared theta. Tapos ito magiging itong 2/3 cos theta d theta. So next. So sige, sulat muna natin. 8 over 27 sine cube theta. Tapos ito magiging itong 4 cos squared theta dahil identity na naman to. 2/3 cos theta d theta. Isahin na lang natin yung mga coefficient. So ito magiging itong 8 over 27 sine cube theta. Ito magiging itong 2 cos theta. Tapos ito 2/3 cos theta d theta. Okay, so 8 times bali ito 8 times basically 2 times is 4. So 8 times 4 is 32. Tapos 27 times 3, that will be so 7 times 3, 1. 2, so 81. Okay. So, yan. Tapos, ano yung mga natira? Sin cube theta, cos theta, cos theta. So, multiply natin to. Tapos, multiply rin natin. Magiging itong sin cube theta. Ito magiging itong cos squared theta d theta. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, I think yung pwedeng gawin yan dito, kung nilet yun natin, ay hindi. Kailangan may matitira na isa. Okay, so sige, copy muna natin to. 3 over 2 over 81. So ito, yung gagawin ko, hahatiin ko tong sin cube theta. Yung isa, maging siyang sin squared theta, tapos kapartner niya yung cos squared theta. Tapos yung isa naman, kapartner niya yung sin theta, d theta. Para mamaya, pag nag-usab tayo, pwede siya. So, di ba, yung sin squared theta, equal yan sa 1 minus cos squared theta. So, papalitan lang natin yan. Tapos ito maging itong 1 minus cos squared theta. Tapos ito cos squared theta times sin theta. So, as you can see, since pag ito, dinistribute ko to, tapos nag-sum and difference rule ako, pwede nang mag-usab kasi what is the derivative of cos theta? That is sin theta. So, pwede ka na nung mag-usab, then usab, then power rule. Okay, so ito magiging itong 32 over 81. So, copy. Ito magiging itong cos squared theta minus cos to the fourth theta sin theta d theta. Okay, so 32, 81. So, ito cos squared theta, sin theta. So, ito, sige, explain ko na properly. Okay, so, mag-sum and difference rule tayo. Cos squared theta, sin theta, d theta, minus 32 over 81, integral of cos 4 theta, sin theta, d theta. Okay? Ito magiging itong 32 over 81 copy. U sub. Yung U natin is cos squared theta. Diba? So, U natin is cos squared theta. Hindi, cos theta lang pala. Cos theta. Tapos, yung du natin is sin theta, d theta. So, ito yung reason bakit hiniwalay ko yung sin theta, d theta. Yung sin cube theta into sin squared theta, tapos sin theta, d theta. Para magamit yung power rule. So, ito niyan, magiging itong, bali ito u squared, ito magiging itong du, minus ito 32 over 81. So, bali ito, same lang doon, magiging itong u to the fourth, ito magiging itong du. So, ito, 32 over 81, magiging itong, basically ito magiging itong u cube over 3 minus 32 over 81. Ito magiging itong u to the fifth over 5 plus c. So, 32. Ito magiging itong 253. Tapos, u natin is cos. So, ito magiging itong cos cube theta minus 32. Ito magiging itong 5. Tapos, ito magiging itong 40. Yan. So, ito magiging itong cos to the fifth theta plus c. Okay? So, ngayon, meron tayong initial answer. Di ba? Okay. So, ngayon, yung mga trigonometric functions lang na hinahanap natin is cos theta. So, ngayon, gamitan natin ang right triangle. So, theta. So, ano kasing ginamit natin kanina? Di ba yung ginamit natin is u equals a sine theta na naging 3x equals 2 sine theta. So, naging u equals a sine theta na naging 3x equals 2 sine theta. Okay? Okay. So, ngayon, alisin lang natin yung coefficient dito. So, matitira na lang is sine theta equals 3x over 2. And SOA ay magiging siyang SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So is opposite over hypotenuse. So, therefore, this would be 3x and this would be 2. So, using the Pythagorean theorem, hinahanap yung adjacent. So, magiging itong 2 squared equals 3x squared plus yung adjacent squared. So, magiging itong 4 minus 9x squared a squared. So, square root both sides. So, a equals square root of 4 minus 9x squared. So, ito niyan, magiging itong 4 minus 9x squared. Okay? Okay. Going back. So, ito niyan, pwede nating, oops. Ito niyan, magiging itong, kailangan lang naman nating hanapin is cos theta, di ba? So, what is cos theta, di ba? Cos is, di ba? So, TOA. Ka is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, yung adjacent natin is 4 minus 9x squared over, so, ka over 2. Okay. So, therefore, papalitan lang natin, magiging itong 32 over 253. Wait lang, ba't naging 25 to? Naging 243, sorry. 243. Tapos, square root of 4 minus 9x squared over 2 minus 32 over 405. Tapos, yung, wait lang, kailangan pala itong i-cube. Okay. Kailangan natin siyang cube. Is 32 minus 405 minus 405. Tapos ito, 4 minus 9x squared over 2 raised to the 5th plus 3. So, therefore, the final answer, yellow ko na lang. Bali ito, magiging itong 32. Tapos, 4 minus 9x squared, magiging siyang 3 over 2. Kasi diba nga, square root. Square root. Yan. Tapos, ito, magiging numerator niya. Over. So, 2 times 2 cube is 8. So, 253 times 8. So, 253 times 8. Well, actually, ito magiging itong, di ba? 32 over 253 multiplied by 1 over 8. Ito mga cancel yan. So, ito magiging itong 4. So, whole square. Wait lang. I think there's something wrong. Okay. Okay. Tama lang pala. Tama lang. Wait lang. So, cos square theta. Pag nag-usap ka, hindi naman. Okay, sige, tama lang naman. Okay, tama lang naman. So, bali ito, papalitan to ng 4. Ito magiging itong 253 minus ito, So 2 raised to the 5th is 32. So 32 over 32, magiging siyang 1. So magiging itong 1. Well, kaya magiging itong 4. Well, wait lang, sorry. Magiging itong 4 minus 9x squared over 5 over 2 over 405 plus 2. So that's the answer. Okay? Okay, next. Ito. Dito, magko-completing the square tayo. So, unahin muna natin by completing the square. So, ito magiging itong x squared plus 4x. Ito, mag-add tayo ng 4. Ito, plus 5 minus 4 dx. So, ganyan yan. So, ito magiging itong x over itong x squared plus 4x. Pwede natin yan, no? Maging, pwede natin yung parang i-parenthesis para makuha natin yung x plus 2 squared. Tapos ito magiging 1. Tapos, don't forget the dx. So, kung nalilito kayo, paano nakuha yan? So, di ba meron tayo, get the b. So, b, half the b, then square it. So, ano ba yung b natin? Di ba 4 over 2. So, square. So, 4 over 2 is 2, tapos 2 squared, magiging 4. Kaya nakuha tong value na 4. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, yung next na gagawin natin, ayan. Ito, this resembles the second formula, which is, ito nga, a squared plus, well, actually, well, a squared, pwede naman. Or pwede rin naman siya maging u squared plus a squared n over 2 du. So, gagamitin natin dyan is u equals a tan theta. Okay? So, yan. Okay, so pwede na tayong mag-let. So, pag nag-let tayo, yung mga let natin, so u squared is x plus 2 squared. Yung u natin is x plus 2. And yung du natin is dx. Tapos, yung a squared natin would be 1. A natin is 1. Okay? Ngayon, gamitin natin yung u equals a tan theta. Okay? So, u equals a tan theta. Wait. Okay? So, u equals a tan theta. And since yung u natin equal siya sa x plus 2, tapos yung a natin 1, so tan theta. Yan. Okay? And then we have to derive it. Makukuha natin dx, tapos ito sec squared theta d theta. Okay. Now, so, pwede na tayo mag-substitute. So, ayan. I-charge ko lang. Bilisan. So, kailangan natin kunin yung value ng x. Kaso, yung nakalagay sa sa let is x plus 2 equals a tan theta. So, kailangan lang nating kailangan lang nating i-transpose yung 2 to the other side para makuha natin yung value ng x. So, maging itong tan theta minus 2. So, okay, x equal, so yung maging niya natin, tan theta minus 2 over, yan, tapos, pwede tayong kahit mag-refer na lang tayo dito sa given. Dito, mismong given. So, yung ano natin, x squared natin, magiging siyang, magiging siyang tan theta. Tan theta minus 2 squared plus 4 tan theta minus 2 tapos plus 5. Tapos yung dx natin, meron pa tayong dx, or like dx dito. Kailangan pa natin siyang palitan, magiging siyang sec squared theta d theta. Okay? So, kailangan natin simplify. So, tan theta minus 2. Hindi ko muna siya kasi baka pwede palang i-cancel either one of the numerator. So, ito magiging itong tan squared theta minus 2 tan theta plus 4. Ito magiging siyang plus 4 tan theta minus 8 plus 5. Okay? So, ito magiging itong tan theta minus 2 sec squared theta d theta. So, ito magiging itong tan squared theta. So, matatanggal to, magiging itong, minus to, magiging itong 2 tan theta. Tapos, 4 minus 8. So, 4 minus 8 magiging 4, negative 4. So, 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 5. Ay lang. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 8 is positive 1. So, ito yan, magiging itong tan theta minus 2. Tapos, sec squared theta d theta. Copy lang. So, magiging itong tan theta, tan theta plus 1 squared. Okay, so, okay. Wait lang. Okay, so far, so good naman. Tan squared minus 2 tan. So, pagina natin to. Magiging itong tan theta minus 2. Ito magiging itong sec squared theta tapos d theta over ito magiging itong tan theta plus 1. Okay, wait lang. Check ko muna. So, tan theta minus 2 sec squared theta d theta. So, tan squared theta minus 2. Ay, wait lang. Actually, magiging pala tong, since minus 2 to, magiging tong 4 tan theta. Tapos ito, magiging tong 4. Okay, that's the mistake. So, 4 tan theta minus, 4 tan theta minus 8. So, ito pala makakancel to. Okay? Makakancel pala siya. Sorry. So, that's a mistake of mine. Okay. So, ito, pag inano mo to, di ba, magtitira tan squared theta. Tapos, maging tong 4 plus 5, wala, 9 minus 8, 1 plus 1. So, ito magiging tong equal sa sec squared theta. So, ayan, magiging tong tan theta minus 2. Ayan. Ito yung reason bakit hindi ko muna sila pinag-multiply. Kasi baka may pwedeng i-cancel pag na-simplify siya. So, ito, cancel mo. Matitira na lang is tan theta minus 2 tapos sec theta d theta. So, ngayon, iyan lang natin just sa baba na lang. Magiging itong sec theta tan theta d theta minus 2 sec theta d theta. And this one is sec theta. This one is 2 ln sec theta plus tan theta plus 2. Okay? Yan. So, dito, may lumitaw na sec theta and tan theta. So, kailangan lang natin kunin yung values nila. So, using the right triangle, okay, marami pang space. Using right triangle, ano kasing ginamit natin? U equals a tan theta na naging x plus 2 equals tan theta. So, okay? So, u equals tan theta. Tapos, yun siya, x plus 2 tan theta. So, tan is opposite over adjacent. So, opposite natin is x plus 2, adjacent natin is 1. So, using the Pythagorean theorem, well, actually, yung pag ginamit natin yung Pythagorean theorem, ito lang lalabas, x squared plus 4x plus 5. Ito yung lilitaw, x squared plus 4x plus 5. Pero sige, tignan natin if tama. Sana lumabas kasi baka pinahiya ko pala sa sarili ko ganun. Anyway, joke lang. So, hypotenuse yung hinahanap natin, di ba? So, magiging lang itong x squared plus 2 squared. Ay, hindi, joke lang. Tingnan. X plus 2 squared plus 1 squared. So, magiging itong hypotenuse. So, ito magiging itong x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. O, diba? Lumitaw yung x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay. Ngayon, hahanapin natin yung value ng sec theta pati ng tan theta. So, sec is 1, sec. So, Katawa and Cho Shakao.